Open hook and loop straps on the top of the arm sling brace. Next, unfasten the arm sling buckle. Remove the ball and all extras from inside the brace and set aside. Place forearm in the brace, making sure the elbow is snugly positioned at the back of the brace, while ensuring that the wrist and hand are supported by the device. The elbow should be at a 90-degree angle if possible. Next, securely close the brace by applying both hook and loop straps across the opening at the top. The brace should fit comfortably around the forearm. If needed, the length of the brace can be shortened by folding it along the pre-folded lines located near the arm sling buckle. Place shoulder strap over the opposite shoulder and reconnect buckle. Adjust the shoulder strap so that the sling fits comfortably around the shoulder. Adjustments can be made from the front or the back of the shoulder strap. Unbuckle the waistband and position the abduction pillow on the affected side of the body, between the sling and the body. The pillow should run parallel to the forearm. Secure the pillow to the sling by pressing the hook and loop together. Wrap the waistband around the body. Engage the buckle and adjust the waistband to the desired fit. The waistband should be snug around the waist to support the arm and abduction pillow. If needed, trim the excess strap. Remove the alligator clip from the end of the strap and trim the strap to the desired length. Replace the alligator clip and fasten. Add the therapy ball to the brace. When the user relaxes into the brace, the shoulders should be even, the forearm should be perpendicular to the ground, and humeral shaft should be neutral. If positioning restrictions apply, follow positioning restrictions as given by physician.